Okay, so I'll just go through quickly the setup. So choose English, United States, yeah. Default appearance, yeah, I think that's, well, maybe medium is better. Go for continue for now. Quick start, yeah, I can. Okay, so enter my password, and now just going to do a software update to get it all up to date. And this will probably take a couple minutes. While I'm waiting for that, I'll just go through some of the buttons here. So you got this volume button up and down here. And the power button's on top. Looks like you got the speakers on top as well. Not sure if you can see that. Let's see what else. That's pretty much it, other than the camera, which is there. I'll have to look at how big of a camera it is. It's probably a very nice one. And then there's speakers and microphone, and of course the charging port on the bottom, which just plug in your charger there and hook it to the port there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Anybody that's had an iPad before is probably pretty familiar with that. Let's see, did I put this up right? I thought you could prop this up somehow. Okay. Yeah, so you can prop it up this way. Oh yeah, it's very versatile. So I can prop it up with the cover just by folding it in different configurations, and it's all magnetic, so it pretty much adjusts to wherever you need it to be. Got a couple different adjustments, so you can be eating your lunch, breakfast, or dinner and watching something very easily on the iPad. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We'll just go through the updates and then we'll continue the video in a second. Okay, so I'm just going through the setup process, and I decided to restore from iCloud. I have an iCloud account with Apple. The setup so far was really easy if you are already part of the ecosystem, I'll say the Apple ecosystem. So I do have an iPhone, a watch, a MacBook, so I was able just to connect to my phone and just pretty much streamline the whole setup process. It's going to restore all my settings from the backup that happened on my phone. So I'll give that a try, and hopefully it doesn't install a lot of stuff I don't need, but at least I'll get mostly everything I need on the iPad, and then I can clean up afterwards if I need to. But yeah, pretty simple process as you would expect. I also did just register my fingerprint. So now it's completely set up. Downloaded everything, at least everything it needs to get started, and now I'm pretty much ready to use everything I need. Got all the apps. Oops. Looks like you can do a search too. Cool. So yeah, I'll just play with it. I really haven't used it yet. Just like I said, just opened it up, started it. Probably wants me to do an update. Looks like it's got the settings here. So we'll go. Okay, so we're all set up. Just want to go over some of the specs that this has. So I have the 11-inch, and yeah, it's really good so far. I really haven't used it extensively. It does come, well, it's compatible with the Pencil Pro. I don't have a pencil yet, but I'm considering getting one. And let's see what other specs. So I have the blue version, which is this color, which I don't know, it doesn't really matter because most of it's covered in the cover. But yeah, just choose whatever color you like. There's blue, purple, the Starlight, which is I think just a lighter color or a silver color, and then the Space Gray. Yep, so the Starlight I guess is more like a cream color, I should say. Yeah, 2 possible sizes, 11-inch model and 13. I definitely don't think I would like to go any larger than this. 11 seems like the perfect size for me. Yep. Let's see what else. Yep, it's got the M2 chip. I think that's probably one of my main reasons for getting this. I mean, I wanted an iPad anyway because of the size and just something bigger to watch YouTube on. But the M2 chip is really what got me to purchase this version. Yep, all the apps work on here, of course. Apple Pencil Pro, I might get one. I might get a Apple Pencil. It supports, I think, 2 different versions. I don't know if I need the Pro version, but we'll definitely get it. Supports Magic Keyboard. Don't think I need a keyboard at this time, but maybe in the future if I want to kind of replace my MacBook. I have a MacBook that I use for typing, so that's super important. And then it's got a 12 megapixel camera, wide front and wide back camera, so it looks like they both support 12 megapixels, and actually the back camera supports 4K video, which is pretty impressive in HDR photos. Connects wirelessly. Yep, I have it connected to my wireless network. And these are just some of the other features. So main differences, here's the specs. Yeah, so I did pay $5.99. I think I got a little bit of a discount, 3% off, because I used my Apple Card. So that actually saved me about 3% off the overall price. M2 chip, it's got the wide camera, supports Pencil Pro and Pencil USB-C, and the Magic Keyboard. Not the Magic Keyboard Pro apparently, but I don't know actually what that gives you. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I think it's so far it's going to be a great device. Really looking forward to using it. It's actually got more colors than the Pro. I didn't realize that. Not that that's super important, but definitely a difference. Okay, these are comparing the 13-inch. Yeah. So yeah, the Pro has the M4 chip, which if you need that much power, then go ahead and get it. I don't really require that much power, so not a biggie for me. But yeah, I just use it for travel mostly and watching programs, and then occasional emails and stuff I need to do. Definitely pretty light. Actually, this one's the bigger version, so don't really need to look at that too much. I can actually switch these to be the 11-inch. Yeah, 11-inch. Yeah, there we go. So what's the weight on this? 1 pound, I guess. Doesn't even feel like 1 pound. 1.02 pounds, and then the Pro is 0.98 pounds, which is almost equivalent, 444 grams versus 462. Yeah, the resolution's comparable, I would say. Yes, PPI is the same. Yep, so very similar, except for the chips. I think the chips are probably the biggest difference in this. 10 hours of Wi-Fi use. So yeah, I think that's pretty much all I want to go over. But yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. Definitely, like I said, a very nice device. Love the cover, very sleek. It's got the fingerprint power button here. On the side, it's got your volume keys and speakers. So I'll give it a try, and then if I have any more updates, I'll make another video of actually how it is after using it for a little while. But so far, love the size, love the weight, and looking forward to using it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe. Take care, everyone.